Horse breeds from different countries. Ardennais, Belgium. Cold blood, Croatia. Swiss warm blood, Switzerland. Finn horse, Finland. Jode horse, Norway. Highland pony, Scotland. Katgani, Afghanistan. Parovia Paso, Peru. Albanian horse, Albania. Andavida horse, Greece. Lusitano, Portugal. Falabella, Argentina. Oldenburger, France. Onaguni horse, Japan. Mumbai, Australia. Barb horse, Morocco. Hablinger, Austria. Abaco barb, Bahamas. Harness, Belarus. Mangalarga, Brazil. Orlov Toretor, Russia. Nonius horse, Hungary. Andalusian horse, Spain. Boerpard, South Africa. Baluchi horse, Pakistan. Kaimna horse, New Zealand. East Bulgarian, Bulgaria. Sport horse, Romania. Chilean horse, Chile. Czech warm blood, Czech Republic. Malopolsky, Poland. Faroe pony, Denmark. French Trotter, France. Icelandic horse, Iceland. Tory horse, Estonia. Hukul pony, Slovakia. Ethiopian horse, Ethiopia. Cuban Criollo, Cuba. Zilingal horse, Mongolia. Newfoundland, Canada. Marwari horse, India. Mustang, United States. Dutch Draft, Netherlands. Colombian Criollo, Colombia. Azteca horse, Mexico. Namib Desert, Namibia. Karabayar, Uzbekistan. Barb horse, Algeria. Basuto pony, South Africa. Burmese horse, Myanmar. Thai pony, Thailand. Baguio horse, Philippines. Bais horse, China. Sandalut pony, Indonesia. Dongola horse, Sudan. Reading horse, Ukraine. Jeju horse, South Korea. Exmoor pony, United Kingdom. Karakabey horse, Turkey. Morghisi, Italy. Warmblood, Sweden. Fautanke, Senegal. Egyptian horse, Egypt. Arabian horse, Saudi Arabia. Caspian horse, Iran. Cambodia pony, Cambodia. Lokai, Tajikistan. Novokirgiz, কাজাখস্তান, কারাবাগ হর্স আজারবাইজান, আখাল টেকে তুর্কমেনিস্তান, কাজাক হর্স কাজাখস্তান. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel Unique Data World.